Many gardeners worry that they aren't watering their plants enough, but surprisingly, the opposite problem is often much more common. In fact, overwatering is one of the leading causes of plant problems, especially for beginners. The challenge is that many signs of overwatering look similar to signs of underwatering. That's why so many gardeners accidentally make the problem worse by adding even more water. Today, we're going to look at 5 common signs that your plants may be getting too much water. Let's start with the most obvious warning sign. Number 1. Yellow leaves. Healthy leaves are usually green and vibrant. When leaves begin turning yellow, many people immediately assume the plant needs more water. But yellow leaves are often one of the earliest signs of overwatering. When roots sit in constantly wet soil, they struggle to absorb nutrients properly. As a result, leaves can begin losing their healthy green color. If you notice yellowing leaves and wet soil at the same time, too much water may be the cause. Number 2. Soft or mushy stems. A healthy plant should feel firm and strong. If the stems begin feeling soft, weak, or mushy, that's a warning sign. Excess moisture creates conditions that encourage rot. Once rot begins, the plant can quickly become unstable. Soft stems should never be ignored. They often indicate that the roots and lower parts of the plant are under stress. Number 3. Slow growth. Most gardeners expect regular growth during the growing season. If your plant seems stuck and isn't producing new leaves, something may be wrong. Overwatered roots can't function efficiently. Without healthy roots, the plant struggles to absorb oxygen and nutrients. As a result, growth slows down dramatically. Sometimes the plant isn't dying, it's simply unable to thrive because the roots are constantly sitting in wet soil. Number 4. Mold on the soil surface. Take a look at the top of your potting soil. Do you notice white, fuzzy patches or signs of mold? Mold often develops when soil stays wet for long periods. While small amounts of mold aren't always dangerous, they can indicate excessive moisture. Healthy soil should have a chance to dry slightly between waterings. If mold keeps appearing, it may be time to reduce how often you're watering. And now for the final sign. Number 5. Fungus gnats. These tiny flying insects are attracted to moist soil. If you frequently see small bugs flying around your plants, consistently wet soil may be the reason. Fungus gnats thrive in damp conditions. Reducing excess moisture often helps reduce their population as well. Fortunately, there's a simple way to avoid many of these problems. Before watering, always check the soil first. Insert your finger about an inch into the soil. If it still feels moist, wait another day. Plants usually recover much more easily from slight dryness than from severe overwatering. Remember, roots need oxygen just as much as they need water. The goal is balance. Not too wet, not too dry, just right. Thank you for spending time in the garden with me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Gardening After 60 for more simple gardening tips, relaxing ideas, and inspiration for older adults. And before you go, let me know in the comments, have you ever accidentally overwatered a plant? I'd love to hear your story. See you again soon.